When it comes to choosing the right underwater ROV, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Whether you're inspecting offshore structures, conducting search and recovery missions, or performing aquaculture maintenance, understanding the differences between Deep Trekker's lineup of ROVs is crucial for maximizing performance and value. Deep Trekker offers 4 ROV models, each engineered to meet different operational demands: the ultra-portable DTG-3, the nimble and stable PHOTON, the robust and customizable pivot, and the flagship Revolution, built for high-performance industrial missions. The DTG-3 is compact and deploys in seconds, ideal for quick visual inspections up to 200 meters. The PHOTON steps up with 6 thrusters and enhanced 4K vision for more control in light currents. Pivot and Revolution, both rated to 305 meters, use 6 vector thrusters and rotating platforms to excel in stability, depth, and payload capacity. For calm conditions, smaller ROVs such as the DTG-3 and PHOTON offer cost-effective options. But for strong currents or complex navigation, the 6-thruster designs of the Pivot and Revolution hold position with far greater precision, especially when paired with our DVL and USBL options for sensor fusion. Image clarity and tool precision makes all the difference. All Deep Trekker ROVs include enhanced lighting, but only the Pivot and Revolution provide integrated rotating camera and tool platforms, allowing up to 260-degree rotation to inspect walls, hulls, or sea floors without repositioning. Choosing a package depends on your mission. The PHOTON Expert is perfect for tank inspections in tight environments. Pivot Smart provides mid-level functionality at a great value. Revolution Nav and SAR are top-tier packages offering sonar, mission planner, and advanced manipulator tools for the most demanding inspections. With modular add-ons such as sonar, environmental sensors, GPS, DVL, and manipulator tools, your ROV can grow with your mission requirements. Whether you're mapping seabeds, conducting water sampling, or supporting diver teams, Deep Trekker gives you the flexibility to build the ROV system you need. Every mission is different, and so is every ROV. Whether you're inspecting pipelines in high current conditions, recovering evidence in murky waters, or assessing structural assets in tanks or offshore rigs, our fleet is purpose-built to meet your needs. Deep Trekker systems are engineered for harsh environments, designed for intuitive control, and backed by modular tools that grow with your mission. From aquaculture and public safety to energy, defense, and infrastructure, our ROVs support smarter, safer underwater work. Built in Canada, trusted around the world. Visit deeptrekker.com to learn more or reach out at sales@deeptrekker.com.